It's been a long 3 years since Husqvarna unveiled the Vitpilen 401 and Svartpilen 401 at the EICMA show in 2014, announcing to the world that it chose a whole new direction. A long 3 years of more teasers and hoping that we'd see a production version, and Husky released the Vitpilen 701 concept and announced that we'd be getting a futuristic café racer in both small and medium sizes. The thing about being teased this long is that we know most of the details already. It's powered by the same 693cc liquid-cooled single from the KTM 690 Duke and Husqvarna 701 Supermoto, producing 75 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 53 pound-feet of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Interestingly enough, that max horsepower figure is listed at 500 revolutions per minute higher than the 701 Supermoto. The Vitpilen 701 gets the chrome moly steel trellis frame, which is laser cut, robot welded, and hydroformed to ensure precision and quality. Husqvarna claims the frame's torsional rigidity and longitudinal flex have been engineered to provide detailed feedback and even weight distribution. Braking comes from a 320mm disc up front mated to a Brembo 4-piston, radially mounted caliper. The rear gets a 240mm disc and Brembo single-piston floating caliper. There's also a 2-channel Bosch 9+ ABS system, which can be disabled.